Hey kidlings, here's a quick little tutorial on the dihybrid crosses. So dihybrid just meaning two traits that we look at the same time. So in horses, the trotter trait is dominant over a pacer. Straight manes are dominant over curly. Give the genotypes of all the horses. Okay, so there's our little picture of our horsey. And so we're going to write down all the genotypes of all the possible horses. What? That seems a little crazy. But I'll give you some examples. So if a horse is big T, big H, little h, right? Heterozygous at both traits. What would they look like? They look dominant, because they have at least one dominant allele. So he would be a trotter with a straight mane. Oh, stop it. Get out of here. Right? What about if it was little t, oh, I should switch my colors. Little t, big H, little h. What would that be? Think. Come up with it. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Pacer is recessive. So that's how they're running, right? I don't really know what that means. I think they made that up. And they still have a straight mane. Right? That's their mane right there. So pretty. Oh, so horsies. Right? Same idea. That's all it is. They're just asking us to write them all out. I'm not writing them all out. That'll make me nuts. How about this guy, though? And then how about big T, little h. We'll just do those, right? Okay, write it out. Do it. Okay, I can't wait anymore. If you want to do it, pause. Pacer, curly. Right, looking at two different traits, how they run and what their mane looks like. Trotter, curly. Genotype are the genes. Phenotype is what they look like. Phenos and genos. Oh. Okay, let's move on. Moving on. Okay, a curly maned pacer horse. Oh my gosh. So pacer, what do we know? We know that pacer is recessive, right? Because trotter is dominant, which means pacer is recessive. Anything recessive has to be homozygous to show the recessive. So homozygous for pacer, right? Boink, boink. And it has curly mane. We also know that curly is recessive. Yeah. If you don't get that, stop the video and check it out again. Okay, that guy is mated to one who is homozygous dominant for both. Okay, so trotter's dominant, homozygous means same. Straight dominant, homozygous means same. And what would you expect their offspring to look like? So if this were multiple choice, this is their genotype. Geno, not what they look like. So that would not be the correct answer for that. You're looking for phenotype. Their phenotype, what they look like, would be, or what they do, how they act, would be trotter and straight. Right? So both the phenotype and the genotype answers are going to be in your multiple choice. You got to make sure you're answering the correct question. Oops. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that for now because I got to go. But this is a quick 5-minute for that problem. We'll try to do the others or try to do them on your own. And then I'll post a key. Okay. You got this. Keep practicing. Practice. Time. Yay!